In this lesson, I want to show you that how you can create a scatter plot using Plotly. So we already have talked about Plotly, that it's a library in Python and it's used for data visualization. Using that, you can create, for example, different charts. Also for the installation, you can just use pip install Plotly and it will be installed. So now let's create our scatter plot. Now the first thing is that we need to import. So I can just say import plotly dot graph objects as go, and we need to create our sample data in here, and I can say 1 2 3 4 5, and let's create, so this should be for the X, let's create for the Y. For the Y I can just say 3 5 1 4 and also 2. Okay, and now we can create our scatter plot, and I can just say go dot figure. So we need to give the data, so it's go dot scatter, not seen, scatter. Also, if you want the source code, you can just check the video description and you can get the source code of this video. Okay, so now for the scatter in here, we need to add our values, and this is for the Y value. Also we can give the mode, other different mode, and we want to just use for example markers. So this is the marker mode. Okay, and now we need to set the chart title, so update layout, and I can just say title scatter plot example. Also we want to show that, so fig.show. Okay, so now let's just run it. Also, if you want the source code, you can just check the video description and you can get the source code. Okay, again we have a problem. Okay, we also need to add our axis. So for example, we can say x axis underscore title. So for example, I can just give it x, and we want to do that the same for the y. So it is y and it should be y. So now it should work. Yeah, now you can see that this is our scatter plot and it is working.